Okay, so hello students, very good morning to all of you. As you know, I'm your EVS teacher and here I'm just going to telling you about your subject enrichment activity which will be performed by you on 30th of July. Okay, so students, here today in this video I'm just going to telling you all about of your activity, means how you have to perform your activity. Okay, so let's start to know about this. Okay, so firstly students, I would like to tell you what will be your topic of subject enrichment activity for the EVS subject. Okay, so students, I have written here the topic, that your topic will be oxygen gas is necessary for burning. Okay, this is your topic. So you have to, when you perform this activity, so firstly after the wishing of teachers and introducing yourself, you have to tell what is your object, means what is your topic of subject enrichment activity. Okay, now in the second point you have to tell which apparatus required, which apparatus required for this activity. So you have to just keep this apparatus which I am just seeing you, and you have to mind these all apparatus you have to show in your video. Okay, so for this activity you need one candle, as I have taken here. You can take any colorful candle also, which will be very attractive. Okay, now I have taken here the glass bottle. Actually for this activity the beaker is also necessary, but beaker is not available in your houses, so you can take any transparent container. I have taken here a bottle. You can take any glass of any glass or any transparent bottle or a box you can. Okay, now also you have to need any sheet, any other object which you keep on this container. Okay, and also for this activity you need the matchsticks. Clear? So this is your apparatus required, which you have to tell during your when you perform your video. Clear? And when you perform your activity. Okay, now procedure. In the second step you have to tell your procedure, means you have to perform your activity, and when you are performing your activity, so you have to tell what are you doing. Clear? So firstly I have taken a container here, this bottle, and I place this candle on it. Okay, so the candle is placed on it. So you can when you keep the candle, so in any container, so firstly you keep candle in the container, then you have to use the matchsticks and you have to try to burn this candle. Clear? Always remember, you have to tell in your video also, in our surrounding air is present, and in the air oxygen gas is also present. And what is the formula of oxygen? As we know, this is O2. Okay, now you have to burn this candle. So easily you have to burn this candle. Always remember student, when you perform your activity, so you have to need your assistance of your parents, means when you perform your activity, so your parents should be with you. Clear? And always very carefully you have to burn the candle. Clear? As I burn it. Okay, I am burning here the candle. Students, you can burn candle first and then after you can place candle on the container. Okay, आप दो नहीं कर सकते हैं, आप पहले कैंडल को बर्न करके कंटेनर के अंदर कैंडल को फिट कर सकते हैं, या फिर आप क्या कर सकते हैं, स्पेसिफिक कंटेनर में आपने कैंडल रख लिया, उसके बाद आप उसे बर्न कर सकते हो. ओके, सो एज आई हैव कीप हियर, नाउ you are showing the candle is burning here. Okay, so in the second step what you have to perform, after a 2 minutes, 1 or 2 minutes, you just keep this candle. This is continuously burning. Okay, why burning? The oxygen or a gas is supplying air in our surrounding, gases is present. Okay, now after some time you just use any sheet or a file or any glass, any plate. Okay, as I taken here this cap, you can use also any cap, any card. Okay, whatever is present in your house you can. Okay, now this is the burning candle, and now when we keeping this cap on it, so what will be happen? Slowly you have to keep here. Always remember, you have to carefully do this activity. Now what you are watching, this burning candle is put off. Okay, at last you have to tell your result. By this activity it is proved that when the oxygen or a gas is supplied, oxygen gas is supplied or air is supplied here, then candle is burning. But when we keep this sheet on the candle, what will be happen? The supply of air is off, and supply of air means the oxygen is off, and then candle is put off. Okay, so as this activity I have proved that oxygen gas is necessary for the burning process. Okay, at last I would like to say thank you and have a nice day. Okay, so this type of your activity should be performed. Always remember, students, I will give some instruction for your science enrichment or subject enrichment activity. So you have to carefully read all the instructions. Your video of till 5 minutes only, not a very long video. Okay, and carefully light the candle. Okay, carefully burn the matchstick. Clear? Now if you have any query about this after watching this video, if you are unable to understand, so you can ask me by calling me. Okay, so I'll tell you all about. Okay, so now this is ending of my video. Thank you and have a nice day.